taping me or putting me on live? What are you doing?
We're gonna do live.
Oh, she's live on your page, right?
On my business page.
Yes. Hi, Lori. How are you? Hi, Jenny. So today is Taco Tuesday, my favorite day of the week. Well, every day is my favorite day. But it's also 2-Minute Tuesday, and we are going to be doing the Victorian skull. We had a show last weekend, and our beautiful board sold. And so I said, you know what? I'm going to do this again. It is on our gold framed round board. A little quick thing. Hi, Mia. Hi, Becky. Hi, Melinda. How are you? Really fast, I want to share. Today is October 1st, and Chalk Couture just announced a brand new special for, well, there's 5 boards on my website right now that are 50% off. And this board, the small gold board, and the Grayson board, I think there's 2 Grayson boards. They are 50% off just for our Club Couture members. So if you're not a Club Couture member, make sure you put Club in the comments and I'll get you some information. But oh my gosh, you're gonna want this board. I love this board. People kept coming up to the booth and saying, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So you're gonna see 2-Minute Tuesday, we are going to make this happen. All right, I'm gonna put you down so you can see all the goodness going on. All right, here we go. Let's see, sorry, I don't want to make anybody dizzy. Let's get that. Now I want to see where you guys can see. Got my timer going. I love my timer. There's my timer. Oh, my friend Elizabeth is messaging me. She just made couturier last night. So excited. All right, we ready? Let me undo my paste. I'm using gold shimmer paste and a black. I did already squirt it. Gosh, I'm running low on black. Let's see if we can make this, squeak it out. All right, we're gonna make it work. Make it work, as Tim Gunn says. All right, here it goes. I'm starting, here we go. I've already used this transfer, so I'm not gonna have to fuzz it again. Just gonna pull the backer off. I'm gonna put this on my board. How's everybody doing today? It's a great day. Yesterday was a fun day, last day of September. Make sure you put your transfer down on your board. And I'm gonna start in the center and push all the air out. Make sure I don't have any bubbles. Not bubble. I think this is the part that takes the longest. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna slap some black on all over, kind of all over, roll over, sounds like that, right?
Right.
Little black guy here. I think this is what I did the last time to it too, just kind of like everywhere. And then I added some gold. I really love the gold. It's almost kind of like the messy or speckle technique. I'm really gonna use all this gold. Kind of just get it all in there. Okay, there we go. I am gonna load my brush up, or my squeegee. Oh my gosh, it was a long night last night. Get all the little nooks and crannies. Turn your board if you have to, because you really do want to get all of that chalk in those corners. I'm going on a little more than 2 minutes, but seriously, how easy is this? How far that chalk paste goes. Doesn't take a lot. You just want to make sure you get it in all the screens. And you cannot put the chalk back in the container because you mixed it with another color.
You've made a new color.
I made a new color. Blackish gold. Can you hold that for a second? Thank you. Alright. I'm going to take my other little squeegee here and get in the corners. Because I want to make sure I get all those screens covered. I'm going to scrape up any excess, put it back over here on a little rag thing. All right, you ready?
Oh my gosh. I love it.
I think I even love it better than the last time.
I think so too. I think it's way better than the last one. It's got more black in it. But that gold really sets it off.
I think with the new color that I created, it just really emphasized it. Oh my gosh.
That is so cool.
That is really incredible. Let me stick this in the sink real fast.
You could almost do 2 skulls with the extra that you have left over.
Yeah,
huh?
I don't think I'm gonna get rid of that color because look, I've got
You just
so
put it
much
back in the
extra.
jar.
Yeah, I can put it in my
Empty.
in my black because my black is pretty much empty. Hi there. Hi there. How's it going? Anyway, look at that. And it was 2 minutes and 45 seconds when I pulled that up, just an FYI. So under 3 minutes. So 2 minute Tuesday turned into almost 3 minute Tuesday. 3 minute Thursday probably. No, I'm just kidding. But look how great that is. I am excited. Still super, super quick.
Yes.
Easy.
She's going to save that extra. She's putting it in the gold jar that she just almost emptied.
Yeah, so like Adele just said, I have so much. I'm going to save that because I was able to really scrape up and get into the corners of that transfer. I'm going to make sure that I save that. So anyway, we are probably going to do several lives today, so make sure you get us, what is it? I can't even think, I'm so tired.
Join us live.
Notifications, turn on the notifications for my page because we are getting ready for this week's show, and so we are going to be going live quite a few times today to get ready for that show. So we had a great show up in Northern California last weekend. This weekend is in Orange County. Make sure that if you are in the Southern California area, come see us at the fairgrounds in Costa Mesa at the Quilt Craft and Sew Expo Festival. If you have said anything on our live, I'll make sure that I comment and respond to your comments. I just don't have my phone on to see that. But thank you so much for joining me. Make sure to click the notifications. And this has been Terina with Create With True. That's me. I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.
And if you're watching this on the replay, put hashtag replay so I know you're watching it. And also say hi, Dory.
Hi, Dory.
We'll talk to you guys later. We're going to be chalking all day. In fact, I'm going to be chalking too. So we'll be chalking together, hopefully. Hey, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.